Marcus Aurelius, quotes from Meditations. No man can escape his destiny, the next inquiry being how he may best live the time that he has to live. Here is a rule to remember in future. When anything tempts you to feel bitter, not this is misfortune, but to bear this worthily is good fortune. Everything we hear is an opinion, not a fact. Everything we see is a perspective, not the truth. Accept the things to which fate binds you, and love the people with whom fate brings you together, but do so with all your heart. Make sure you're not made emperor. Avoid that imperial stain. It can happen to you, so keep yourself simple, good, pure, saintly, plain, a friend of justice, God-fearing, gracious, affectionate, and strong for your proper work. A real man doesn't give way to anger and discontent, and such a person has strength, courage, and endurance. Unlike the angry and complaining, the nearer a man comes to a calm mind, the closer he is to strength. It is the responsibility of leadership to work intelligently with what is given and not waste time fantasizing about a world of flawless people and perfect choices. Whenever you are about to find fault in someone, ask yourself the following question: what fault of mine most nearly resembles the one I am about to criticize? You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. If someone is able to show me that what I think or do is not right, I will happily change, for I seek the truth by which no one was ever truly harmed. It is the person who continues in his self-deception and ignorance who is harmed. I have often wondered how it is that every man loves himself more than all the rest of men, but yet sets less value on his own opinion of himself than on the opinion of others. The object of life is not to be on the side of the majority, but to escape finding oneself in the ranks of the insane. Like and subscribe for more Marcus Aurelius quotes.